Hi, it's Gary again from Stonyfield. What's the simple solution for a quick hors d'oeuvre? Dips. Dips are unbelievably simple. A very easy way to do dips is with a Greek yogurt. Here's my whole milk Greek. But I want to give you a little hint here quickly. If you can only buy our regular yogurt, just grab some whole milk or even low-fat plain. And this is just a simple colander with cheesecloth. And just go ahead and scoop out while you're getting the rest of this thing ready. And you will see that in about 10 or 15 minutes, it's going to be basically Greek yogurt. So you can take the plain yogurt, and what I actually tend to do, squeeze it out just like this. And see all the whey that comes off? We'll set this aside for right now because we actually do happen to have Greek yogurt here. So what we're going to do is we're going to do with make a dill yogurt dip. This is incredibly easy. Get your dill. Don't be uptight about amounts. This is just all according to your interests. I call it a pinch, but a decent amount of dill. This is, after all, a dill dip. To make this simple, I'm just going to put all these things in and then mix it all at the end. Minced garlic. Again, we went ahead and did the mincing. And again, this is all to taste. We're going to put a half of a fresh lemon. And again, some sea salt and some pepper. But I am going to add just a little bit more dill. Again, the guests are coming over. You haven't figured out the hors d'oeuvres. This is absolutely the solution. Et voila. Everybody loves a good ranch dip. So again, I've got my Greek yogurt already ready. Same thing as before, a little bit of dried dill. Again, decent amount, get it nice and covered. You can always add more. Then we're gonna add some parsley. Dried parsley, you can cut up some fresh parsley if you want. A bit of chives. And again, this is, you'll notice I'm not worrying about measurement. Some garlic powder. Always a way to be a genius with just a very little bit. And some sea salt. And once again, half lemon. I'm going to just use a little bit less lemon juice here, but again, that's all a question of your taste. Just mix it up a little bit. It's really, you can't make any mistakes with this stuff. It's super easy. And then, of course, this is the final test. It's perfect. An absolutely perfect ranch dressing. You made it in about 1 minute. Okay, let's go to our third one, a tzatziki dip. This is always a favorite. The key with tzatziki is actually cucumber. So we're just going to grate it right in. And again, I'm not getting uptight about amounts, although in the case of cucumber, you'd like about as much as you can possibly get. So I'm just going to rip through this little dude here, not even bothering peeling. The peels are just fine. Of course, organic is the way to go, right? You're going to use organic cubes, right? A little bit of minced garlic. Smells are already great. Going to add some parsley. I'd say a very liberal couple of pinches. Some fresh mint. Try to get it nice and fine. Smell the taste coming off. This is one of my favorite things to do. It just wakes you right up. You are just about home. And then, of course, salt and pepper to taste. And, of course, the final test right now. The mint and the cucumber make this a killer. So you're now a hero at home for a couple of minutes. Don't think it matters whether you use our regular yogurt or our Greek yogurt. Either way, you make a fabulous dip. There you go, 3 dips in a couple of minutes. You'll be a genius.